Well, folks, I'm heading to the bear stand right now. All by myself for school. I got my recurve. Got out of work. Kind of got here kind of late. Try to sneak in and see what happens. I know there's some good bears here, so hopefully we'll get one tonight. But hey, all you do is try. I love it. So come on, hurry up and get in there. You'll see what I see. Well, you guys saw that I shot at that bear
and I missed, and I couldn't figure it out because at 15 yards to 18 yards, I can put them right in there. If I pull back and I look down the arrow and I use this one finger underneath my setup here, you go one finger down, and I can pull it right up to my eye and I shoot. And I couldn't figure out how is it that I missed. I mean, I'm shooting the targets, everything looks good, and I figured it out. I was looking at the whole bear. I didn't pick a point on that bear to shoot at. I looked at the whole bear, pulled back, and I just shot. I got caught up in the moment. This is my recurve. This is a Royal X8, 45 pounds. I'm using a 3-blade fixed broadhead. These are razor sharp, and you can sharpen them. Absolutely incredible. My buddy Rick, he used to compound hunt with me all the time, and then he got into recurve hunting a couple years ago, and he said he absolutely loves it. So I said, hey, I'll give it a try. I love a challenge. If you guys follow me, you know, everything to me is about a challenge. I've harvested deer, bear, and everything with everything, and this made the next logical choice for me to try. And, you know, for me, it's all about the challenge. I love harvesting big bucks and stuff, but at the end of the day, I harvest game animals that make me happy. I love to eat the meat. I love to, you know, donate meat to families that need help. And I don't get caught up into it has to be a 12-point, 6-year-old buck, any of that. I hunt New England. And you guys that hunt New England know. I mean, yeah, do I want to hunt and harvest a mature buck? Of course I do. But at the end of the day, if I see a doe come in and I get a doe tag, I'm probably going to shoot it. This is just another added challenge, and I've had a lot of fun with it so far. And, you know, I was trying to figure out exactly what I did, and I know what I did. I looked at the whole bear, and I didn't pick a point. Thankfully, I did not hit the bear, because I would rather miss the bear completely than hit the bear. So we're going to keep giving this a try. Deer season, I'm going to go out there with this and see what I can do, but I'm having fun with it, and I'll be honest with you, if I see a doe or a small buck or something like this, you know, to me, this is a true challenge, and I'm probably going to harvest something. I am using my Expedition in the woods. I kind of bounce back and forth. I absolutely love that bow, and it's hard for me to put it down. But I'm getting more practice. I'm gaining more confidence, and I think eventually you're going to see some videos with this bow harvesting a few animals. So keep a lookout for more videos, and we'll see if we can get it done.